Hey, Eagle Run 2-3 here. Does anybody know what this is? You got your J.C. Higgins, number 710. All right. Blue on all sides. All right. Let's open it up. Wow, check that out. Is that not so cool? We're going to dig in here and see, what does this say? Well, look at that old note. That's awesome. Winchester Model 70. Huh, interesting. I just think this is so cool. Look at that. It's like it's never been used. Oh, it's so awesome. All right, what else we got in here? Looks like there's a couple of loose patches. And then, well, there's several things that could be for. Gun and reel oil. Sold only by Sears. All right. Oh, that's, wonder why that's empty. So you can, if you've got a little chip or a scratch, you can re-blue it. Huh, interesting. And then here's your shotgun patches. I don't even know if I want to open that box. I don't want to mess it up. Especially with one hand. Yeah, I don't want to tear it. We'll take their word for it. There's some patches in there. It feels full. All right. And then what do we got over here? There's your solvent. A modern solvent for all firearms. I wonder, does solvent go bad? All right, let's see. Oh, there's your 12 gauge brush. Wonder if they've got, oh, and it's got a little metal rack to hold it up. Man, they used to make stuff so stinking nice. Little spacer there. Oh, that's so cool. I wish they made stuff nice like that. All right, well, I'll get this back in there, but I just thought you guys might want to see that. Just a short little video here. Here's some tips for you. Maybe we need to go through and follow these exact instructions and see what's different. I mean, not that I did it correctly, but... all right, I'm going to have some fun looking through this, but I thought you guys might want to see that. All right, Eagle Run 2-3. We'll see you next time.